Here's the super blue Pachanoi. This is some genetics from Peru that were open pollinated with other very good genetics. This one's grafted right here to a PC. I grafted it rather early. This cactus, it's pretty fat cactus. Something pretty big, about 5 inches across. Really fat cactus. Looks like it's related to shark's blue. I'm sure it has some sort of similar characteristics and genetics going on. But yeah, this is Pachanoi, Peruvian, from Team Wachama.